When it comes to where African governments put their money, transport infrastructure projects top the list, eating up 19.4% of the total money spent on investments. Energy comes a close second, followed by real estate and port projects.
Kenya is actually the leading country in terms of forecasted growth within the region, and we're looking at a growth here at about 6%. And so that's also quite important in terms of the drivers underpinning that growth and where the investments can support that growth.
In its 2016 Africa Construction Report, Deloitte says that even though infrastructure attracts the most investments, the amount spent last year actually dropped by a total of $51 billion due to tough global conditions at the time. But this is not what worries the authors of the report. Their concern is that the continent isn't spending nearly enough to deliver water to the people.
We're hoping that the drought across the continent is going to inspire governments to start thinking about the longer term planning of water provision for both household, agriculture and the impact on electricity generation.
Compared to infrastructure's 96 major projects across the continent, valued at $324 billion, the water sector only got 15 projects, valued at $4.8 billion. And Kenya is not listed among the countries that are spending on mega water projects. But as much as the government is barely scratching the surface in meeting water needs, the citizens have also been blamed for not supporting the little efforts made.
People don't like paying for water that comes out of a tap, but you're happy to go and spend however many shillings to go buy a nice 20 litre of water for your water cooler.
The report suggests that perhaps government can adopt a model similar to that of off-grid power supply in order to increase water access. Zeynab Wandati, NTV.